To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the top of your story to start creating a new one. You will then see the new update window called Animated Collage. If it hasn't appeared for you yet, don't worry, Instagram is gradually rolling out this feature. You can try it from here. Or if you missed the pop-up, you will find the collage update at the top. Now, tap on it. Next, choose your photos. You can select anywhere between 5 to 20 images from your camera roll. After selecting your photos, tap Next in the bottom right corner. Instagram will then automatically start generating a stunning animated collage for you. The processing time may vary depending on the number of photos you have selected. Your animated collage will be ready with the cutouts effect. If you tap the next option, your collage will be created with a sequential effect. If you are satisfied with your collage, tap Done in the top right corner. Just like any story, you can enhance it with stickers, GIFs, captions, or background music. Once you are happy with it, tap to post it to your story. Your story has been posted. Your animated collage will now appear on your story for all your followers to view for 24 hours. So that's how you can use the new update animated collage on Instagram.